For a trucker, this becomes a home away from home.
Everything is built around the driver in the sense of the steering wheel can be adjusted very comfortably. The seat is adjustable according to what you feel comfortable with. Vision out the cab is excellent. On our side display is the navigation of it. Other nice features with the tire pressure monitors. And we've got our load indicators. So all these add-ons make it more efficient for the driver operating the vehicle.
Volvo takes the driver experience really seriously. It's not just about transporting from A to B.